Hi guys, I'm Anthony Bonney of InSurge Unlocked. Today we're going to be talking about your LinkedIn profile picture. It's that time of the week again. Welcome to Workshop Wednesday. Right, so your LinkedIn profile picture. We all know you need one, and we all know it needs to look professional. In an ideal world, you'd get a professional person to come in, take a headshot, nice and clean, clear background, and make sure it looks absolutely spot on. Something like this. Okay, so you're probably not going to go and pay for a professional headshot. Your mobile phone is a cracking device now that will allow you to get a real high quality image. Quick, nice, easy and simple. Get yourself in front of a plain background and get somebody to take an image of you from about 6 foot. Right, so once you've taken your image, get your image downloaded onto your computer. And you want to go to a website called remove.bg. So what's remove.bg? Remove.bg helps you with a photo by removing the background around your portrait image. So just to give you an example, here you can see around this car, here's the background, here it's completely see-through. It takes out all that imagery around it so you can just have the one image that you want to use. Right, so here's my example of my picture. It's a little one I took earlier. All you're going to do is you're going to download your image, you're going to click on upload on remove.bg, and this is going to happen. Okay, so as you'll see, the background is removed. Now that means that you can put that image on any background that you wish, but rather than having a painted or a dull background behind your photo, you can now go and make sure it's one crisp, clear colour, making sure that it stands out. Many times before, I've mentioned using this piece of software online called Canva. It's completely free. So all you need to do is log on to Canva, create a custom design logo where you'll be able to put your imagery in, and I'll show you how to do that now. So on Canva now, you're going to have a square canvas where you can put your image in. What you've done on remove.bg now is you've taken away all that background and you can now insert just that headshot straight in the middle of this box. Now if this is what you want, nobody wants that. Then all you need to do now is you can use that image in whatever size you want. If you want to make the image itself a little bit bigger, you can do. But you can use it in any size you want and just place that straight into LinkedIn. What Canva allows you to do is for you to now have a little play with this and do any other background or imagery around it that you may want to make your profile picture stand out as opposed to your competitors. So for example, if you just wanted to change the background to have a different color, then you can. Dead simple. If you want to make this slightly more advanced, you can put a border on it. So first thing you do is go into your elements, put circle frame and take the first image there. Now all you need to do is take your image that you've uploaded of yourself and place that straight in there, and it's perfectly now within that circle. I do recommend that you have your face in the middle of the square image so that it's much more likely to pull straight into the middle of the circle for you. What you can now do as well, if you want to change the outside, you can actually change the image so that you have a coloured border. Okay, so this is really simple. All you need to do once you finish that is click on download and download that straight onto your PC. You can even do this on a mobile. Right, make sure you fill that box with as much of that circle as you can, because the next step is to get that picture on LinkedIn. Probably should have chose a different picture. Right, back over here on LinkedIn, all you need to do is click to edit your profile, click on your profile picture, change photo, and pick the photo that you've just downloaded. Right, so you have your new image and press apply. Now just save your new settings. Scroll down, press save, and your new profile picture should be right there. There it is. One final thing. All your first connections will see your profile picture, but there are millions of you out there that are still grey faces. And what do I mean by grey faces? People who've been watching my videos for a while will know grey face means that anybody who is your second or third connections or outside of that cannot see your profile picture because the settings that you have on LinkedIn. To change this, go edit public profile and URL. What you'll see now on this side here is your profile's public visibility. You want to make sure that your profile picture is public to everybody. Don't be a grey face. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow me on LinkedIn, you can subscribe to me on YouTube, And if you do need any help on creating your own profile photo or with Canva, or any help on LinkedIn in general, just drop me a message or drop your name in the comments below and I'll do my best to give you a hand. I will see you next time for Workshop Wednesday. Might work, might not. Let's go to Canva. Babbling. Here you've got a square. It was nice and quick then as well, so you could see it happening.
Yeah, it was good.
And make sure the image is completely surround. No. Obviously, we're going to cut this bit out. I know I keep mentioning grey face, but everyone's still got them. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow me on YouTube. You can't follow me.